Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this. Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as yeah. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". Yeah, I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stop pick. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-Wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, making profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them make profits while I'm still in my sand making profits. They used to watch me move them packs. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Him make profits. Hey, Suge, Mike, what we doing? They make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? They make profits. That TTG money gang. They making profits. We some snipers.
Hey yo, what's up everybody? Good afternoon. Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream, where we will go live for the final trading hour of the final trading day of the year. Can you believe it? It's the final day of the year. And what a crazy year this has been. 2022 has been the most volatile year in trade history. You've had more days where the S&P moved 2% than ever in the S&P 500. The environment has provided traders like me with endless opportunity, day trading, swing trading, day after day, week after week. And even during what is typically one of the slowest weeks of the trading year, this has been one of the most opportunistic week, and True Trading Group has been killing it. Today, the big winner in chat was Roblox. We slayed Roblox. It was a hedge for us, and it turned out to be a really nice trade. We got some profits off on Tesla. So congratulations to those who were able to capitalize on those trades. I know many of you guys followed Geo and some SPY scalp trades, and you guys killed it with the SPY today. So congratulations to all who were able to capitalize on all those trades. You see at TTG, we aren't going to hold diamond hold positions and tell you that they're going to go to the moon for the next mother of all short squeezes, right? At TTG, you'll learn the professional level of education and have access to some of the industry's top trading and investing tools to help make you and your decisions better at being part of this community that has over 10,000 traders and investors who genuinely care if you succeed or fail, and who are there to help you along the way. You'll learn the skill that can potentially change your life, just like it did mine. I know this to be true firsthand, as I was in the same position as many of you are in right now. If you've been on these live streams before, then you know Michael Edward, the co-founder, the guy that you usually see on the screen, the co-founder of True Trading Group and head trader on Wall Street, award-winning head trader. Now you see, I don't have Wall Street education. I didn't work on Wall Street. I started from scratch right here in my own home, searching through YouTube videos, trying to figure out how to trade in this wild, crazy market. And now that I found this very stream that you are watching, I have worked my way up to becoming a full-time professional day trader and moderator of True Trading Group. I have helped my family reach a level of financial freedom that I never thought possible, and I've been able to mentor several of you to learn to do the same. My name is Jessica Woodard. I am a stay-at-home mom to 3 children who's, let me tell you, it's chaotic around here. My son was in a major accident in 2020, which is what got me interested into the market. My husband had previously mentioned stocks to me and that I should be a day trader. I honestly had no interest whatsoever until our family was in this tragic situation. I knew I needed to do something for my family, and I needed to help my family financially, as my son needed intensive care from me and my husband both. But also, like many of you, I jumped right into the market having no education, and essentially I gambled the stock market. I listened to random people on social media with no professional experience simply because they had a lot of followers. I was clueless. I made every mistake you can think of. And then, just like you, I found True Trading Group live streams. I learned more literally in the hour and a half on one of these streams than I have learned in months of scouring the internet to try to find information on how to trade. So I attended another live stream and then another live stream. Let me tell you, it only took me 3 live streams and I joined True Trading Group. It was a no-brainer for me. As I sit here now today, honored that I can honestly tell you, True Trading Group has been one of the greatest decisions I have ever made, not just for me, but for my family. Today, just 2 years later, as a matter of fact, I just had my 2-year TTG anniversary. I am now a full-time trader working towards my dream of retiring my husband from his oil field job and contributing financially towards building our real estate portfolio. And all of this has been made possible because of the education, the guidance, and the mentorship that I have received along the way from True Trading Group. I know exactly how you feel. The doubt in the back of your mind, that the fear in the pit of your stomach. I've been there. I've felt it. I am proof that goals are a lot closer than you think if you get the right education, if you have access to the right tools and are part of the right community. If I can do it, so can you. And I'm not an outliner here. I'm no one special. The majority of TTG members are also making money and becoming better traders. But don't take my word for it. If you're a member of TTG, will you please go ahead and type the $ in chat right now if TTG has made you become a better trader and you are making money in the market. Just wait for it. You'll see all the $ come through chat here in just a second, and that speaks volumes. I could sit here and tell you all day that I have become a better trader through True Trading Group, but I think hearing other members say it for themselves, you see there on the side of your screen, all the $ coming through chat. There's nothing special about us. We don't have more money than you. We don't have more time than you. Honestly, what is time? We don't have more experience than you. The only thing that you don't have, that all these people typing the $ do, is a real education and a community of like-minded traders. For those of you that don't know, True Trading Group is one of the fastest growing, highest rated online premium educational platforms available to retail traders and investors. So if you're ready to learn, to trade, and profit for real, you have come not only to the right place, but the place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live for free right here on this YouTube channel, where myself, the head trader, Michael Edward, and several other moderators and special guests drop golden nuggets of education that can help you become a better trader and a more profitable trader immediately. TTG combines university level trading and investing education courses, the same stuff Michael Edward learned while working at the fund in New York City, with premium stock market tools, workshops, mentorships for that will include swing trading, day trading, and yes, even long-term investing. There are 9 professional trading moderators at TTG, each specializing in their own strategy and style. So you'll get exposure and access to a wide variety of trading styles to see which one fits you best. At True Trading Group, we take our university level education and curriculum, and we've combined it with today's top stock market investing tools that are worth well over $5,000 per year. If you were to go purchase them on your own, and TTG has spent years building relationships with companies, negotiating to put their tools on our platform at no additional cost to you. You heard me, no additional cost to you. Do you guys realize how big that is? These tools are tools that successful traders use to get more information to make better decisions. If pros are using them, then so should you. Go to the companies like Benzinga, TradingView, Trade Ideas, Quote Media, and ETNA on your own. you'll be spending well over $5,000 on these tools. With TTG, it's all included in your annual membership. I just sold Tesla, so let me push out that alert. 122.33 is where I took final profit on the Tesla trade. So one moment, let me push out this alert for our members in chat really quick. Alrighty. Final take profit on the Tesla short off the table there on the push through VWAP. So back to the tools that you'll be receiving with True Trading Group. We already touched on ETNA and TradingView, Benzinga. You would spend well over $5,000 on these tools if you did it on your own. Like I said, included for free with your membership to True Trading Group. Not to mention, you have access to over 10,000 of the TTG members, the most educative, supportive, helpful, successful community of traders and investors that you will find. And of course, all the real-time trade alerts, like the one you just saw me push out. I just took final profit on a real-time trade that I have been in all day today. You'll get these alerts from myself and 8 other full-time trading moderators that have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate amongst all of us combined of about 80% for the last 2 years. At TTG, we are a family. We leave no trader behind. And if you want to take advantage of our holiday sale and join the platform for just $1,000, you'll be getting a 54% discount off of the regular price, which is $2,000 for 2023. It will be over $2,000 for 2023. If you want to claim this $1,000 offer, go to ttgoffer.com and manually enter coupon code TTG121. You will get access to the entire platform, all the tools, all the courses. A matter of fact, Joe, will you please go ahead and post the syllabus so that people can see the list of everything that they'll be receiving on the screen there? All right, folks, this is the same education that I received. These are all the same courses I took to become a profitable trader. And you can too, as easy as going to ttgoffer.com and manually entering coupon code TTG121 to receive that 54% discount. You'll get access to all the tools, like I said, well worth over $5,000. And as a part of the holiday sale, you'll get a brand new free laptop. Joe, how many laptops do we have today? You'll get a brand new free Okay, there's 30 laptops. There's 30 laptops left. I think on Wednesday we had 50, so these are flying fast. There's 30 laptops left. You'll get a free one when you enter that TTG121 coupon code until Monday at midnight. The laptops are available until Monday at midnight. We even cover the shipping costs of the laptop, so don't worry. We'll ship the laptop out to you for free, and we ship it anywhere in the world. We have over 10,000 members of TTG from all over the world in 100 different countries, I believe. If you live on planet Earth, okay, if you live on planet Earth, you will get this laptop. You will also receive a free one-on-one private mentor session with myself, Michael Edward, or any of the other pro trading moderators at TTG. You will be getting, and don't let me forget, a double your money back guarantee. It's quite simple. You join True Trading Group today for $1,000. If you cannot make back your membership at least once after going through the courses, passing the quizzes, and attending at least one study group, we'll give you back double your money. Yeah, you heard me right. You will get double your money if you cannot make back once your membership after going through the courses, passing the quizzes, and attending one study group. Oh, and don't forget, you get to keep the laptop. Just go to ttgoffer.com now and enter coupon code TTG121. Like I said, there's only 30 spots. Spots are limited, and this deal will only be going on until Monday at midnight. We had 50 on Wednesday, don't forget. So in 2 days, we've sold 20 of those memberships with the laptops. Don't wait, run to get yours. Also, take advantage of this because the free mentor sessions, members can put in chat. Members, type number 1 in chat if you think the mentor sessions alone are worth the membership, because I know several of our members I've had one-on-ones with have benefited greatly from them. So don't forget, you'll be getting a free one-on-one also. This is important because 78% of our members renew their membership. So I myself and TTG are very confident that you're going to want to renew your membership also. We have only had about a 2.6 refund rate in our entire user base since 2016. I don't think you're going to need the money back guarantee, but it's there for your peace of mind, and it also holds us as a company accountable. If you can't make back the $1,000, like I said, at least once, you'll get back $2,000. But again, speaking from experience, I don't think you're going to need it. I know it's really nice thing. It's a nice thing to have, right? A money back guarantee is a nice thing to have. But like I said, let's see. All right, let's see. TTG members, will you please do me a favor and type the number 1 in chat right now if you've already made your money back for your membership fee with True Trading Group. Please type the number 1 in chat if you've already paid for your True Trading Group membership. Now, I want you to pay attention to all this side, to all of the ones coming through chat right now. And that is proof that people in True Trading Group are becoming better traders, and they are becoming profitable traders. We have 10,000 members of TTG. I was one of those members. And now here I am. This is wild. Here I am hosting True Trading Group's live stream. This is me living out my dream of being a full-time trader. I truly mean it when I tell you your goals are a lot closer than you think. If you have any questions regarding the membership at all, don't be shy. Please send a text message to 786-505-4049 right now, and we will be happy to answer any questions that you have. Also, please remember, if you are a trial member, if you are a previous member or a previous annual member, and you want this insane $1,000 deal with a free laptop, a free one-on-one private mentor session, and a double your money back guarantee, please also text this number, 786-505-4049, so that we can, we have to blacklist your email, like wipe it out and then re-enter it. So please text that number if you would like to take this deal. Hurry up, folks. Like I said, don't wait. Run. There's only 30 laptops left for this deal. All right, guys. So it's been a busy day in chat today. I would like to bring on one of our other pro trading moderators to help me cover a little bit about what's gone on in the SPY today. So please, everybody, give a warm welcome to Mr. Geo.
What's
Hey,
up, Jess?
Echo.
How are you?
There he is.
What's going
There's
on?
the spy killer.
Crazy.
Not much.
Crazy day, week, month,
It's been a
year.
wild year, right?
Yeah, I think since.
So tell me, Gio, what? I said, tell me what's going on with the spy right now.
Well, we're in a range, right? So I think for me, it's ever since June hit, scalping has changed a little bit for me. Where I used to maybe trade right off the open, after middle of June or so, had to wait for 10:30 until the market shows a direction, because the conviction really wasn't there. Good news was bad news was good. We had a lot of economic data that was conflicting with the market, and I think that that brought us into a different quote unquote scalping style. So now, basically it's not going for the strikes that would potentially give you the most probability towards the actual contract strike price in the money. So we play the range within the option. So
hey, Gio, hang on one second. TTG fam, we gotta welcome Aaron. Aaron, welcome to the family. There is now 29 laptops left. Remember, if you want to take this deal, please go to ttgoffer.com, enter coupon code TTG121. If you have any problems signing up, please text 786-505-4049. Welcome, Aaron. All right, Gio, sorry. Go ahead, buddy.
No worries. Yeah, so it's we're in a tight range, and ever since June, it's just been a totally very whippy market. The volatility will always be there, but you sort of we lost that conviction, right? So I think today's the last day of the year. Obviously, we're getting in that range again, and 380, 375, 383 level, those three levels are pretty important. And I don't really think that's not going to change on Tuesday. The only thing that's going to change on Tuesday is the date and the year. Everything else is going to be intact, which is great because I think next year is going to be super volatile. I really believe that we are going to see some sort of clearer direction from the market, probably into the first quarter, maybe touching the second quarter into the second half of the year. We have a lot of earnings that are going to be coming out in January. There's a lot of cash aside. So I think next year is going to be monstrous.
Yeah, I agree.
That's what I'm leaning towards, and I feel that because I've been in this business for a long time, but I can tell you this: this year has been the most incredible year ever, and I've seen .com error and I've seen the 2000 and all that other stuff, but this year is by far the most volatile and the most opportunity to give everyone an opportunity to make money. But the most important thing is getting the education. You need to get that education. I might have X amount of years experience on Wall Street, but I can tell you this: when I first joined the group, True Trading Group, a couple of years ago, I joined because I was lost. Now, I've market maker experience, and I'm telling you that, going from that side of the business to this side of the business is not an easy transition at all. And if anyone tells you that it is easy, they're lying to you. So I think that the educational part is what drew me to this group, and I'm happy I did, because I've learned so much. I continue to learn, and I enjoy sharing my knowledge and my experiences with the family, with the team, and it's fulfilling for me to do, and I do really enjoy that.
Yeah, I agree. The community is an incredible part of True Trading Group. I can't imagine doing this day in and day out without True Trading Group, because it's very true. This is a very profession, and there's about, on average, like 3,000 people in chat, 2,000, 3,000 people in chat. And it's wonderful, to go through and share your ideas and, talk about your wins, talk about your losses, and talk about future outlook for the market. It's an awesome thing to be a part of, that we have this community. And, like you said, excuse me, I come from a very different place where I was brand new to the market, right? But True Trading Group has tools for everybody. If you've been in the market for a while, like Gio has, there's tools for everybody, and it's organized. The courses, everything about True Trading Group is very, very easy to follow along. And like I said, the community is the biggest part of it, right? So
yeah, 100%. Awesome. You need to have the eyes and ears. And to touch on the tools, I never had any of the tools when I started. Wall Street's a very, very cutthroat industry. They sort of throw you into the mix. You kind of need to figure it out yourself. So when I look at all of the tools that are available for TTG members, and I see how easy it is to actually get the information, I say to myself, damn, if I only had these things like 25, 30 years ago, it would have been so much easier, right? And people don't realize that what they have at their fingertips is honestly, it's gold.
Absolutely.
Because we didn't have Google. I didn't have Google back in the late 90s. We didn't have all this stuff. It was a different time. The technologies have changed. And I think that all the tools that we have at TTG, that it's people really need to understand the value of that. Look at that as very, very, very important. Also, the knowledge, right? We have 9 moderators, a total of 9 moderators, and we all have different styles, and we may not all agree with each other's trades, because that's our different style, right? But that's, I think, a very, very good one of many good points.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. And this year has been crazy volatile. It's been amazing for day traders and scalpers, right? It's a beautiful market if you are a scalper or a day trader. But we also have, swing trades going on in chat. There's just so much opportunity in the market right now that, this is the time to really educate yourself up, because like you said, next year, the beginning of next year, as we get into earnings and stuff, I think that we're going to see this continued volatility in the market. And the thing I'm most excited about, Gio, is, taking all those profits and throwing them into my long-term portfolio, because, these are the opportunities in the market when you can build wealth, for many years to come. These are the opportunities where, in 10 to 20 years from now, you're going to look back and this is going to look like a blimp in time, right? So I'm really excited about the beginning of next year, and just to continue to trade this volatility and be able to, pour that money into long-term portfolio stuff. And I know several members are excited to do the same. So
yeah, the SPY now tried to get back to VWAP bounced right off the 38.20 line, and now it's making its way back to that 38.50. These ranges are very, very tight, and that's why when you're scalping, you can go in and out of these things, from candle to candle, really do very well. That's a market that if these are the opportunities that the market is giving you, these are the opportunities that the market is giving you, and you have to make it work. There's plenty of money to be made out there. In any direction, in any direction that we go into. This range is crazy. Now the volume's coming in. Now we're above the open. We're at 380.75. Probably it's 381 again. And who knows? Maybe we go through it. Maybe we go, but these ranges, no one really knows. That's why I trade the way I trade, and I don't really look, past too many candles, because you just don't know. It's very, very difficult.
Yeah. I mean, and like you said, there's some days when you can be long first half of the day, go short, and then be long at the end of the day again, because the market is just that volatile right now that you're able to capitalize on, both sides of the trade. So I agree. Well, let's take a peek really quick. I want to check out Roblox because we're still in a piece of this. I will be taking off for TTG members who were following along with this Roblox trade today in chat. Congratulations. This was only supposed to be a hedge trade, and it turned out to be a beautiful trade. So I will be taking final profit. My final target is up there at 28.50. We'll see if we can get up there. The SPY is actually trying to push now, and we're increasing volume upside. So see if that can give us a little boost going into the end of the day. But I did want to go over really quick this entry that I took, because this morning, if you notice, I'm going to go back to the SPY for a moment to show members the relative strength. So if you notice off the bell this morning, the SPY was very weak, right? There was a lot of downside, and then we retested the previous low and we rejected up there, which is also your trade line and VWAP. But while this was all going on, Roblox was holding up pretty strong considering what the market was doing. We came down and tested that previous day's close and held support there. I actually didn't enter this trade until here. This was my entry. And the reason I entered here is because while the market was still pulling back, Roblox was holding up strong, and we were holding trade line and VWAP, which also lines up with your previous day's high there. So I entered the trade there for the hedge with a stop just below the previous day's close. And then this just turned out to be a beautiful trade. So that was the entry there on that hedge, because this morning, I expected downside in the market. I came in more bearish today. I actually was short NVIDIA, which turned out to be a nothing trade, small loss there. But, it was just choppy. It's chop. Yep. So I ended up exiting that trade. And the Roblox trade was already working out beautifully. And then I got into Tesla this morning. I was telling members I wanted to see this 124 act as resistance. You can see we briefly tried to push through, and then we rejected up at that level on increasing volume. So I have drawn out here on my screen the decrease in volume as we pushed back up into this 124 area. And if you notice here on my screen, all these wicks up here, I didn't see any buying stepping in up at that resistance. 1 second here. We got to welcome Philip. Welcome Philip to the TTG fam. There is now only 28 of those laptops left. Remember, this deal is only good until Monday at midnight. The $1,000 with the free laptop, the free mentorship session, and the study group. Remember that on Monday, we will be raising the price back up over $2,000, and it will be on the 2-pay system. And I doubt there will be. Is there going to be laptops, do you think, Joe, or is this the last of it? Yep, there's only 28 left. So that's it. After that, that's it. So Make sure if you have any questions to text 786-505-4049. If you have any questions at all whatsoever, please text that number. If you are having trouble signing up, if you are a previous trial, a previous annual member, and you would like to take advantage of this deal. Okay, so I got short Tesla up here at that rejection. And as we started to fall back down through trade line, that was my entry on Tesla. And then I was able to get a piece of profit off here, and I'll show the viewers on YouTube why. We walked through this in the chat room today when I was going through and alerting this trade. We walked through this step by step. Like I said, you have myself, Geo, and the other trade moderators come on the mic throughout the day as they're pushing out these alerts for their trades and walking you through why they're taking profit there, why they entered the trade there, why their stop loss is where it is, so that you're able to learn from our trades. So I got on the mic and I said, I'm going to take a piece of profit in front of that previous day's close because we went down to that area before I entered the trade and we bounced from there. So I wanted to get a piece off there in case we held support. And you can see here, we bounced right off that same area. So I got a piece of profit off there on the Tesla trade at 121.90. And then my second target for Tesla was down here at 120. So we never quite got down there. Tesla was actually a pain in the butt today. Yeah, Gio?
Yeah, it's very.
It was a pain.
It's a big pain.
I literally was like, the SPY was rolling, and I looked at Tesla, and I'm like, why is Tesla moving so slow?
Yeah, it's almost it literally, no pun intended, but it's almost like it ran out of gas at this.
It needed to recharge its
at
battery.
this price range, right? Because it's when it's trading in the $700, $800 range, right? I mean, it's just a crazy whipsaw, name to trade. But when it's down here, it's like it doesn't know what to do. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it needs a little charge. Who knows?
I know, it's crazy. Okay, guys, we got to welcome Debbie, TTG fam. Welcome Debbie to the family. There is now only 27 of those laptops left. Like I said, this deal is only good until Monday at midnight, and then we will be raising our price back over the $2,000 price point. And there is only 27 of those laptops left. So if you want this deal, don't walk, run. We had this conversation about the market today. Don't walk, run. Take advantage of this deal. If you have any problem signing up, please text 786-505-4049. Welcome, Debbie. So then when I first started the stream, you guys heard me say I needed to push out an alert to the True Trading Group platform because all of our alerts come straight from our broker and they go into the platform for you guys to see. So there on the breakthrough VWAP, I exited the rest of this position at 122.33 was my final take profit on this trade. So that wasn't a big one. It was honestly an annoyance today for me, but hey, green is green, right? So
that's right.
We're out of the rest of that trade, but we shall see. Market's pushing back up there, Gio. What do you think?
Yeah. No, we double topped at that 181. I'm sorry, 381, and we're still holding the trade line. So, there are sellers out there, and they do show their face when the buyers bring it to that certain level. We saw that at 1 o'clock when the bond market closed, how we rallied up and then just got snuffed right down. So yeah, that was a pretty intense rally, at 1 o'clock. So
yeah, absolutely.
But this 381 is there's a lot of resistance here. So listen, I'm going to I'm going to say that this is probably a double top area. We'll see it. We'll see it. 3:45 is well, we got 4 more minutes. We have 4 more minutes, and then at 3:50, right? At 3:50 is the latest that market on close orders can be entered into the system, because then they tally them up for the 10 minutes, right? So that should be interesting to see what this market will be doing in another 15 minutes. So just keep that in mind as well.
I'm excited, man. This year, it seems like this year just flew by because I was busy every trading day. It felt like this year. So
yeah,
it's crazy that coming into today, as I opened up my platform and just kind of reflecting on the year, which I'm sure several TTG members can, talk about their stories too. But man, this education with True Trading Group, it's been incredible to be able to capitalize from this, insane volatility. Like, it's something that, if you don't have an education, you could really, get beat up in this market. This isn't something to mess around with if you don't have an education. And this year has just really it's caused me to grow so much as a trader, and I'm thankful that I was able to learn how to trade in this volatility, because it's caused me to become a better trader from it. And when when the volatility slows, these pullbacks are going to feel like a pinch, right? Whereas now they feel like a wasp sting. So, I'm excited going into next year. I know, in my opinion, I feel like the first half of the year will still be volatile, but then after that, I'm looking forward to see what the rest of the year brings for all of us at True Trading Group. It's been an awesome year.
Yeah, no, it definitely has been. And one other thing to mention about the SPY is that obviously we gapped down this morning, so it was trying to fill this gap so bad today, but it kept on getting rejected at that 381.60 level. So it's trying to get there. And I think people were asking today in chat if I thought that it would actually fill. And I'm like, I don't know, man. I mean, anything is possible, but just based on, what I'm feeling right now, I'm like, I don't think it's going to fill. I mean, that doesn't mean it may fill it in 20 minutes. I don't know. Right. This is why I take minute by minute when I trade. I don't like to go out too far because, that's just not my style. I don't know what the next 10 minutes is going to bring. But if you ask me now if we're going to fill that gap, I don't think we're going to fill that gap, but don't forget about that gap, because come Tuesday, we may fill it, or next week one day. So, this 381.50 to 381 now seems to be, some in between level right over here. So, we'll see. It'll be very interesting to see what happens at the close. We got about another 16 minutes. So we'll see. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, please, if you would smash that like button, share the stream on your social medias. Let's show Mike and Shug we got this. Smash that like button, please, and show TTG some love.
Jess.
Huh? What?
Why don't you add how many? Let's ask some people. Let's ask the crowd if anyone's excited for next year.
Yeah, let's do it. TTG fam and YouTube video viewers, please tell us in chat right now. Put the $ in chat right now if you are excited going into next year. Are you excited to trade this volatility next year? Type the $ in chat right now and tell us you are pumped. I know I am.
Oh, yeah.
I'm here for it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Look at all these $, Gio.
Dollar, make you holler.
These people aren't scared. These people aren't afraid because they know how to do this.
I bet you 12 months ago they would probably been afraid, right?
Before they got education, I'm
sure.
sure.
That's my point. Yeah, exactly.
Awesome.
That's great. As we're extending right through that 81.40. Wow. So we do got a market on close, looks like. So let's this will be interesting.
This is nuts.
Let's see.
This is nuts. Spies right back where we started.
Let's see.
Let's see
Oh
if it
my
can
gosh.
push through.
Are we filling the gap? Come on.
It's gonna try to push through, Gio.
Come on.
And there it goes.
Oh my God.
Let's see.
Oh my God. Great. This is incredible.
Is it gonna
Wow,
do
look
it?
at that volume. Wow, the volume is. Wow. That's impressive. All right, so we have.
It's crazy.
I'm just looking at my chart. I'm going to say to yesterday.
Come on, Roblox. You
Yesterday's
can do it.
83.35.
That's nice volume coming in there. This should push us up to new highs.
And then 382.60 would be like a 50% retrace up into the gap. So that would actually pretty interesting because that actually lines up with that choppiness that we experienced on Tuesday up there. Very interesting.
Look at that volume coming in, Gio.
Yeah, that's me. I just bought some calls.
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's see if
man.
you're gonna do it. Come on. You can do it.
Wow, this is impressive. All right,
This
so
is
we have
pretty impressive.
so there's 3 more minutes until all of the market on close orders have to go in through the brokers. After 3:50, you are not allowed to enter a market on close order. So at least that's what I remember from when I was there. Maybe it's 3:50 or 3:55, but I do remember it being 3:50. So after that, that's the cutoff. So the computer now is actually doing the net on the buying and the selling. They'll figure out, and you'll probably get a little pop up somewhere to say the imbalances. Yeah, here someone even posted it right over here. Market on close imbalance 999 million, so $1 billion on the buy side. There you
All
go.
right, guys, we got to welcome Nima to the True Trading Group family. There is now 26 of those laptops left. Remember, this deal is only good until midnight on Monday, and then we're going to go back up over our $2,000 price point with the 2-pay system, and there may not be any more laptops by that point. I mean, you can see they're flying. So if you want to take advantage of that offer, please go to ttgoffer.com, type in coupon code TTG121. If you have any problem signing up, please text 786-505-4049 right now. Welcome to the family, Nima. This is nuts, Gio. Look at the SPY. This is crazy.
Yeah, it's pushing. Excuse me, up to 82.60. Right now we're at 81.90. It's looking to get to that 82.60. Wants it.
Let's
It wants
go. Roblox new high of day. Let's go. Wow, look at this SPY. There it is. We might fill the gap, Gio.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna touch 82.60 and then maybe we'll get it back down. Who knows? We shall see. You know, this is why you know, and this is also why we have to keep record of prior resistance and prior support levels, whether it's on our chart, you know, or because these spots are very, very important because we know that there's a lot of resistance at 83 as well.
Yep. Man, what a move. What a way to end the last trading day of the year, huh?
Yeah. This is actually pretty exciting. 82.24. I feel like we're counting down on the bell for New Year's with the ball, whatever it is.
It's the
82.60.
countdown.
Yeah, I mean, listen, if anyone's inputs and you have time on it, you obviously went into it for a reason. So this is what we have to, go through. Right? You got to feel a little bit pain.
All
But
right,
what's that?
final take profit off on the Roblox trade, 28.43. Final
Nice
take
trade.
profit.
Nice trade.
Let me post this alert in chat. Whoop, there it is. Nice trade today, guys. Oh, that Roblox was a good one. It was a good one.
Yeah, I think we'll close above 83. And then we'll see.
What is there, about 8 minutes left? Roblox still pushing. 28.47. What a good day. What a good way to end the year. Great day.
Yeah, 82.60 is a little tough. Yeah, it's still got those sellers out there.
Let's go back to the SPY. Man, that volume.
Hey, Jess.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Want to do another poll?
Sure.
Want to see how many members made money today in chat?
Yeah, let's do it.
Do
All
it.
right, Sam. You know the deal. If you made money in chat today, sound off. If you made money in chat today and you ended your year green today, sound off in chat. Let's see it. Boom. There they come. There they come.
Nice. Got a dime on that. Nice. Beautiful job. Dime is a dime.
Awesome. Over 40% today. Wow. That's incredible. 4 green trades. Yes. Killing it. You traded your paper account and it's still green. Nice job, Miss Tiny Trader. Nicely done. All these members killing it.
Awesome job.
Amazing year. It's been super cool watching these members, grow with True Trading Group, and seeing how they've excelled in this volatility has been amazing to watch,
Yeah.
and even those, who were struggling this year. Because, I mean, there are times that through your trading career, you're going to struggle. That's part of the game, right? But to watch them come out from that and to grow from it was such a cool thing to watch this year. It's incredible seeing all these dollar signs come through chat, because what a year. What a year 2022 was.
Yeah, it's been incredible. It's been incredible. And what I like to do at the end of the year is I like to write down all the things that I did that made me money, and I like to write down all the things I did that didn't make me money. And when I write it down, right? When you write it down and you're reading it and you're writing it down, you're reading it and you're repeating it, you have to get it into your brain. And as long as we start making changes on some of the things that made us not make money, right? That too will transpire into really, really good things in the year to come. And I that's something I do at the end of the year, because listen, we're human, right? We're traders. As long as we have more green days than bad, and as long as our bad days are not, out of hand, we have to manage risk, and the education process of, every trade, right? Every trade you get into is a process, right? So you have to really, fine tune why you're getting into something, and fine tune what your risk is, and so that's what I do towards the end of the year, kind of like to help me move forward in a different way.
Yeah. It's a good it's the reflection part of your journey is what helps you to grow too as a trader. Like I look back to when I started my journals 2 years ago. I have come a long way. I have come a very long way. So I agree, just to write down your journey in trading is really important to see where you've come, because there's so much to learn in the market. You never stop learning. So it's cool to look back 3 months ago, 6 months ago, a year ago, and see what you've done in that time span, and where are you going to be in 3 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now.
Yep.
2 minutes left. 2 minutes left this year, guys. 2 minutes. Wild.
Let's wrap it up.
Let's wrap it up. It was a good one. Next year's even better.
Excuse me.
Yes, Happy New Year, everybody, because I know that you guys are all going to hopefully be enjoying your time off this weekend. But don't forget, Monday, be at the stream Monday, because it's gonna be a good one. Mike's gonna go over, going into the new year. So make sure you're here at the stream on Monday. But enjoy bringing in the new year. My kids always love to stay up like 2 o'clock in the morning, so I should be pretty.
You're not up with them, are you? You're no.
Man, I'm usually in bed by like 10.
That's
so
why I said that.
All right, 1 minute left, fam, before the bell. 1 minute.
This is.
Man, this is awesome. I feel like we're bringing in the new trading year together.
Incredible, isn't it?
With all the TTG fam, it's awesome.
Wow.
I'm struggling up there.
382. All right. That's a very interesting close, I can tell you that. Very, very interesting close. Right? It's like that's like a hedge close.
Yeah. Right?
Yep.
That's nuts. I can't believe we got up into the gap. That's wild.
Yeah, we did. And we actually touched the 50% mark. So technically it's kind of filled. 82.43. Wow.
There it is. There's the bell.
That's awesome.
Final trading day of the year. Closed. We are closed, fam.
That's it.
Well, Gio, thanks so much for coming on with me to close out the rest of this trading day. And
anytime.
You have a wonderful new year with your beautiful family.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Jess. I wish everyone a very happy, healthy, prosperous new year. All right. We'll talk in STR later on and over the weekend. And thank you guys very much. Enjoy.
Absolutely. We'll see you, Gio.
Yep. Ciao.
All right, guys. What a good year, right? What a good year this has been. The markets are now closed. You can say goodbye to 2022. If you would like to get a little emotional here, I won't judge you. This year, if you have achieved your dream of becoming a trader, helping financially for your family, heck, maybe even starting to build a long-term portfolio, I want you to hear from me. I am so dang proud of each and every one of all the people you see commenting. They have put in an immense amount of work, and I am just so very proud of each and every one of them. I can't wait to bring in 2023. Now that I know, right? Now that I know, have the education from True Trading Group, how to trade in a bear market with increased volatility. You saw it today as the SPY closed with this increased volatility. I don't really care what happens next year, honestly. I don't care if the market crashes again, further, or if we go into a recession, because I know how to trade in any market, right? Anytime the market is open, we know how to trade it here at True Trading Group. And we know from our education that no matter if the market is going up or if the market is going down, it means you can make money. And that means everything to me. If you're worried about going into next year and you're worried about a recession and you're worried maybe about your job, trust me, I get it. I told you earlier in the stream, my family was in a position where, we both had to be home. We couldn't be out at a job because we had to, care for our son. And we didn't necessarily know how we would continue to pay the bills if he needed our care ongoing, for years to come, or heck, even how we were going to possibly pay for medical bills. But I'm so happy and I am so blessed that here today, if I could do one thing differently, I will tell you guys that I would have started this journey a lot sooner. I wouldn't have waited until we were in a stressful situation like we were. Yes, I did it during that hard time in our family's life, but it could have been a hell of a lot easier if I had started learning this sooner before I needed it. So if you're worried about going into next year, don't wait. Don't wait until, like I did, when your back's up against the wall and you're in a very stressful position. Maybe you're worried about losing your job. Don't wait. Now is the time. Actually, hang on. How many people are still on this live stream who are not members of TTG? If you are not a member of True Trading Group, please type the letters TTG in chat right now if you are not a member. Let's see who we still have on the stream who is not a TTG member. Please type TTG. Ballsack Skin's back again. Oh boy. Come on, we need more TTGs. Adventure with Dale, welcome to the channel. Doug, welcome. Ludacris, that's a cool name. Rico, Sex Pistols. All right, you guys get it. I don't need to read them out loud because all, the regulars are back. I don't like to say the first one. Anyway, okay, so back at it. Welcome to the live stream today. Thank you for joining me as I was able to close out the rest of the trading year with you guys. It was my pleasure. And if you are not interested in a TTG membership, I'm done with the educational part of this live stream and I'm done giving market analysis. but please make sure that you smash the like button, that you subscribe to the channel, and that you turn on your notifications before you leave, because you cannot afford to miss Monday's live stream, all right? And what is to come in 2023. Also, remember, we only have, 26 laptops left. So if you would like a free laptop and you would like to take advantage of the $1,000 price that we are running right now, please go to ttgoffer.com, type in coupon code TTG121 to claim your laptop and start your trading journey with True Trading Group. So like I said, if you are not interested in a membership and you don't want to see the platform, we will see you all in the new year. But if you are interested in one of the very few remaining spots that we have left, let me go over what the platform has to offer you. TTG is an all-inclusive membership. There's no upsells for the courses or the tools. As part of TTG annual membership, you will gain immediate access to the day trading chat room you see on the screen, where the mods and I share our screen so that you can see what we're talking about as we go on the mic and provide commentary, our analysis, answer questions, and call out our trades in real time, as you saw me doing on the live stream today, and are there with you from pre-market to after hours. We aren't gone after 1 to 2 hours, and you're not left to fend for yourself. We're with you all day, every single day that the market is open. You heard me. We're there every single day, and you have access to our mobile app, which lets you see the screen share, listen to the audio commentary, and get real-time push notifications whenever a moderator enters or exits a trade. So if you work full-time, you're able to have a headset in. The mobile app would be great for you. This is so that you can follow along with everything that goes on in the True Trading Group chat room, even if you're not sitting in front of your computer. You will also be getting 2 small private study groups per year with your TTG membership, with a trading moderator that holds a small private study group every Thursday after market hours. No more than 200 TTG members are allowed into these study groups at a time, so it gives you more quality attention with the moderator to go over questions and things that you want to cover related to the market. It provides members with the like I said, individualized attention to increase your chance of success. You'll also be getting the Benzinga Pro streaming news feed. All right, which also has Squawk, so somebody will literally read the news for you if that is more beneficial to you. If not, you can read it all there you see on your screen. This is so you can stay ahead of the market and make informed trading decisions with real-time news. Traders that get their news first have a huge advantage in the market to catch moves faster. This feature would cost you over $1,000 if you were to go to Benzinga directly. This is included for free in your membership. All right, so you pay the $1,000, like I told you, this will be included in that price point. You'll also be getting TradingView's premium real-time streaming charting software, the most commonly used charting software for traders. This charting software would cost you $600 per year if you wanted to go and get TradingView directly. This is also included in your TTG membership. You'll be getting Trade Idea Real-Time Scanner. The industry standard market scanner is Trade Ideas. This cloud-based platform will give you analysis and is streaming real-time live with True Trading Group. This would cost you hundreds of dollars if you went and got it on your own, if you went into Trade Ideas directly to purchase it yourself. You'll also be getting eTNA's Trade Simulator to trade stocks, options in real-time data with fake money to practice, right? Because you learn, then you trade and profit. So this is to practice implementing what you're going to be learning through the courses and in the trading chat room. Go to eTNA directly, and this would cost you over $1,000 but again, this is included in your membership. TTG's, you'll also get TTG's own proprietary scanner that lets you create custom scans to help you identify the best opportunities during the day. You'll get real-time dark pool data, options flow, and unusual options activity. This data is very expensive if you were to go pay for this on your own. But professionals use this, daily, so you should have access to it also. It's included with your membership to True Trading Group. And again, don't worry if all of this seems overwhelming. We will teach you how to use these tools properly. You'll also be getting a full-time trading performance journal. This journal will track your stocks, options, crypto, and even futures trades, and really help you isolate where you might be having problems by breaking your trading down to numbers and statistics. This way, you know where you need to make adjustments. Very important. Just like you heard Gio and I talking about, journaling is very important as a trader. You'll also be getting social sentiment screener. This tool scours through Reddit, StockTwits, and Twitter and tells you which stocks are being mentioned most so that you can stay ahead of the crowd. You'll also be getting a stock profile and analysis rating. See how many analysis have buy, sell, or hold ratings on any stock you're interested in. This can be very helpful, especially for next year when we're adding to our long-term portfolios. Also see if there's been insider buying or insider selling and what short data is on any stock. This is all included. You'll also get TTG's daily watch list and game plan. Every day, the mods and I publish watch lists of stocks that we are looking at and the game plan of how we plan on trading them so that you can always stay focused and have your attention in the right places. Then there are all the TTG courses and a simplified version, yet expanded on version of the education that Mike learned while working at the fund in New York. There are no upsells for courses. You get every single course when you sign up to True Trading Group. There are no VIP or pro courses that cost more money after you join. You heard me. No additional cost for courses. TTG doesn't play games like that. You get access to the beginner and foundational trading course, the advanced trading courses, options, trader psychology, swing trading, crypto, futures, and so much more. TTG's video library will be available to you also, which has over 400 hours of workshops and webinars that TTG moderators, including myself, have conducted live with members covering a variety of trading and investing topics. And you can start attending these live once you're a full-time member of True Trading Group. You guys, we're going into 2023, and it's time that you do something real and invest in yourself. Give yourself a real education to be successful, like the thousands of members that you saw commenting on this live stream tonight. Now, I can't guarantee that you are going to be successful because you joined True Trading Group. But what I can guarantee that is if you can't make back your $1,000 membership fee at least once after going through the courses, passing the quizzes, and attending at least one study group, I will give you double your money back. You pay $1,000, you go through all the courses, pass the quizzes, attend one study group, and don't make back that $1,000 at least once. We will give you $2,000 and you get to keep the laptop for free. But there's only 26 of those spots remaining. So if you want one of those 26 spots, remember Monday at midnight, our price will be going back up over $2,000 and there will be a 2-pay system. I'm not sure if we are going to get any more laptops in. So remember, if you want to take advantage of this offer, you want to get a hold of that free laptop, please go to ttgoffer.com, manually enter coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price will then drop to the $1,000 price point. And if you see a laptop in your checkout cart, all right, if you see the laptop there in your checkout cart, that's how you know you will be receiving a laptop. If you do, You do not need to enter your address to receive this laptop. You'll get a welcome email after you join with instructions on how to claim your free laptop. So you guys hurry up, jumpstart your new year. You guys heard us. You guys saw the TTG fam talk about what an amazing year this was in True Trading Group, and we're not stopping in 2023. Make sure, like I said, if you have any issues whatsoever signing up, please text 786-505-4049. If you are a trial member, a previous annual member, please text that number if you would like to take advantage of this deal. All right, please text 786-505-4049 if you guys would like to take advantage of this deal also. And I want to say thank you guys so much for joining me today, going into the final trading day of the year. I wish you all a very happy new year, and I look forward to more awesomeness in 2023. It's time to make some money. I hope you all have a wonderful, safe weekend. I love you guys. I'll see you all in 2023. And set your reminders. Don't forget, Monday, right here on this channel, 8:30, Michael Edward is going to be back hosting the live stream to go over the entire game plan. All right, he's going to go over the entire game plan for 2023. You can't afford to miss this stream. I will see you guys all in the new year. Peace, fam.